Care about me fit me, come give me. No, me fit me. But me fit me.
Morning.
Good morning.
I must say, you're looking amazing since our last session. And based on my notes, we might not have to do any more sessions because I can see where you're improving.
I'm happy to know that. I've been taking your advice and I've been taking better care of myself, eating on time, and not letting things stress me out and stuff like that. So
Wonderful.
it's getting better.
Wonderful. So we can just close the session off by you telling me, you know, the changes that you've seen so far. Are they things that you want?
Well, Doc, to be honest, every time I see my stepfather in the community, I'm so angry. Like, I don't want to see him. I just can't do this. I can't do this.
Alright, don't cry. It's fine.
I can't do this anymore.
Come on, yourself, man. Everything is gonna be alright.
Doc, what are you doing?
I'm sorry.
You're my therapist. You're supposed to help me. And what's that look in your eyes? I don't understand. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
I'm here having a sad moment and that's what you want to do? Look at me with those eyes?
I'm sorry, Sabrina. Forgive me. I don't know what came over me just now.
You know what? I'm gonna go. This is not
No. Please forgive me. As I was saying.
Take your hand off me.
Alright. I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm really sorry. Let's just keep this between you and I. It will never happen again, alright?
Alright, no problem. I have to go. Bye.
Evening. Yes, evening. How was it? So you're Mr. Scott?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I looked at your file, but normally I don't just go off of black and white. I allow my clients to express themselves.
Yes, sir.
So you can start from anywhere. Tell me what seems to be the issue with it.
Well, sir, past couple of years, growing up, spend more time loving this woman that I recently find out is not my mother. And
Alright. I can see that it's a whole lot for you. Just calm down, take some deep breaths.
yes, sir.
This is not a new thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're not the first person to be raised by someone who wasn't their mother and to come and find out. So, tell me a little about the lady that raised you.
Very stressing. If you know, say she is not my mother, and if you say she raised me so good, and she showed me love, really good love as a son, she treat me like her own. What she recently tell me to is that my biological mother have a bit of mental issues.
Right.
Like mother and eat out of garbage, bin on him something upon the road. She usually be this type of person, smoke, drink and this. So me really what I want to know, how we get over this trauma.
Right. But let me understand something. At what point did she adopt you?
Well, based on the information we received from her, she said that my mother was mad and was all over the street with me, up and down. So, yeah, that's government have to take me away from her. And so she
So that's when
adopted
she
me.
had, okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Alright. We can start with some introspection. My first question to you is, do you think that you would have been better off with your mother or this lady that raised you as her own? Now when you answer that question, I want you to look inside yourself. Does it make sense stressing over the lack of love of a mother when you actually got that love from a person? It's just that she wasn't your biological mother.
I understand still, you know, sir, but I just want to know her. God know. I just want to know my mother. Even though I hear them story about her, she mother and them something there. I just want to know her. Because you know, I go feel good if you know, say, our people know, say, she and my mother. I go feel good in myself. But it can be a case where because all they would want to make me sister them, I mean even know, because I don't know fear side of family. So it kinda stress me sometimes.
Understood. So now we're getting somewhere. I'm sorry to say, but I think our session is up. We can schedule a next session next week, same time, right here.
Yes, sir.
And we can dive into this, alright?
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, just take it easy, breathe, and just live a normal life.
Yes, sir.
Right?
I'm gonna try my best.
Wonderful. Alright, so take care.
Yes, sir.
And I'll see you again. Alright?
Yes, sir. Looking forward to it.
Come. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I am good.
My name is Dr. Brown. So, you're Miss Russell, right?
Yes.
Alright, so standard procedure is I don't go with the black and white. I allow my clients to express to me and tell me what exactly is happening with them before we get into the details. So, what seems to be the issue? What brought you here?
Okay, Mr. Brown. One time I did mad out. Bad. Real mad. Mad till me I like eat out a garage and sleep on the street. People tell me then stuff this and me used to sleep on the street and so I don't know, me can't remember. But you know then tell me and then me used to get medication. Some people used to take me off a road, carry me go hospital to get the medication like some different type of pill. I don't know what kind of pill them. Then give me some injection, the needle them big right now. Sometimes even though me better, sometimes I feel some pain. Me I wonder if I injection them with them used to give me when me feel them pain there. Come in they struggle hard and me I feel have me youth on the roadside with me asleep, you know. And the government come and take away my little boy from me. I don't know which part in there. I would love to get back my picnic right now. Right now he's supposed to grow big because of an little so. Then take him away from me. Then say me can't stay with him because me mentally ill. Me not focus, me not think nothing positive. So them have to keep him in the hands of care of whatever they want to call him, must government or children. I don't know what they call their place of safety, but they gone with him, I don't know which part in there. Or some of the other people, I don't know when them, I don't know nothing. Because I did mad out there in time there. Me ask so, please do if you know nobody where you can get in contact with for me get back my son because me a surgery man about over there.
Alright, relax, Miss Russell. It's going to be alright. Let me understand though. So you're trying to get over the trauma of losing your son because you know here we do clinical psychology, right? We don't necessarily assist in relocating your son. And you said something about the government saying that you can't.
Okay, Mr. Brown. You see the thing when it happened to me, as me repeat 1 million times about my child missing. And I don't understand, I still have one feelings in my heart. You see, anytime I see the mothers them with them children pass me, I remember my son Me want him back. But one more thing me have to tell you. Me did get one little insurance money after me get the recovery of my sickness.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And now me think me can afford to take care of my son the right way. Or me should have take care of him.
Right.
And a little bit of money then give me. Are you alone there in your office?
Yeah, man, it's fine. But you don't have to tell me the amount. But
Me not tell you the amount because me don't know them the figures. They did too much. One in per zero at the end. So, I would love to get back my son. Because I know saying get bigger now, you know, I would love to see him. You know much time I dream see him, say me have him in my hand. And he get big into big man, now I want my picnic, sir. God know, you see, even if anything you can do to get him back, give him. If I want a little bit of money, I would give you too. Just see you get him back for me.
Alright. As I said, everything is going to be alright. So tell me a little about these dreams. Like, how does your son appear to you in these dreams?
You know, so me dream see him. Me dream saying get big and look like a fine gentleman. Look good and cute. Lord God, me can't wait to see him. Mood mind me see him right now. Me search on the whole place, me don't know who, me not ask if they know him. Because a lot of people used to see me on the street with him, you know.
Right.
I wouldn't mind me get him back right now. If you see how he look nice.
So what I'm going to do, because this is a very complicated situation that you're bringing to me, so I'm going to have to reschedule because our time is practically up. Actually, I'm over a minute. So we're going to reschedule, right?
Yes.
And need you to just leave your contact information by the front desk if you haven't already, so we can maintain contact. So next week, same time, alright?
Okay.
And don't worry yourself, man. We have multiple cases like this and everything turn out alright. Not everyone finds their lost loved ones or son or relatives, but majority of the time it turns out wonderful. So I don't want you to worry yourself, alright?
Okay, Mr. Bro.
Alright, so take care, Miss Russell, and enjoy the rest of the day, alright?
Okay.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts.
Right, come on, see my man. We are going with Yo! Jesus Christ, brother, me should have say out from me know some see that dog. You know I go. One back, brother, yo, a long time I don't see that dog.
Papa, I tell you, you know, I get one like a scholarship go to one of them Ivy League university and you know study and things. So what you going to do with us, brother? What you do with us with fruits like a fruits you sell? You did one of bread. I know fruits out there sell, brother.
Boy, that's when I left from school, dog. Couldn't get no work, dog. Big man thing, and life have a different turn to me. So me there, so me say me hustle. You see me? And you know where I go, me can't. And a 3 pit me end up get to, so me can't just 3 pitney, brother. So me have it out here hustle, brother. You know where I go.
Boy, I understand. I saw things one more time, I understand, but you just have to go and hold it. But, like how me in a place and now, I think if you link up, brother. You understand? Because things can happen, you know.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man, because a long time, no, brother. A long time, brother, right now. Me there in a place, dog, and not normal, brother. Police have run me off the road more, you see me? Because we out of hustle, so.
Yo, a true man, officially make a link up there.
Yeah, man, I see a word to him. Yo, what go on? It's my car, that's it. I can't link me.
Alright.
Yo, what go on to know? When me come here, go and go cooking and me get.
What I mean, dog? You know,
Yo, what go on? When we link me
Yo.
office, I think.
Yo, don't even give me nothing, brother. You're good. Don't even give me nothing.
Respect.
A long time, brother. Just take care of yourself. You see me?
Alright,
Bless
we
up
link up,
yourself,
see?
brother. Bless up yourself,
Alright,
man. Normal, bro. Roads!
I say, you look good underneath the light, you know. Just love how it reflect from you. Yo, how on, brother?
You know, say me there, bad boy. Where you going with?
How which part of that?
You know, say me there up a Matthews just have dinner.
Alright. Give me a link. You can give me a link tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what time?
Up a sports bar, man, a jerk place, man.
What
alright,
Choice
cool.
Drug Center?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, just give me the link tomorrow, man. I'm making some time.
Alright then, cool, bro.
Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, make it up. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, have a seat. Evening. Give me a few moments. We'll stay right here, alright? Alright. You won't be needing any time anymore. good on me. Don't forget rid of this. Yeah, Chief. You want to do for me? Bring a garbage truck. I have one set you more and pick up for me. But you have to bring it. Me tell her if I bring it. Just come down to my office right now. Alright. Alright, cool.
Yo. Yeah man, I reach man, me there a long time away. Me sit down over here. Alright, me over here man. Alright, cool.
So, what you going on differently? I see you down in the town the other day, we couldn't even stop, you see me? So, what you going with differently though?
Boy, I'm be stressed dog. Be stressed around because I even back to school time and I nothing to go on, you know dog. 3 pitney, 2 of them I go to school and 1 day, you see me? Stress out brother, but I don't do more than what I can do in a dog cause God did it, you know. You know where I go.
Brother, your life funny, you know? Because I remember back in school, I could have never imagined say how them things would have happened to you before. So what one like no, you can't get no work with that, you know, help support you and your family because you have pitney and thing.
Yo, John know that. One do it, you know. But being a ghetto youth in Jamaica, them all judge me from where I come from, dog, and it don't make no sense, dog. So what I can do, you know, and I just have to go and fend for myself and for me youth them, dog. And they have to eat. You see me? I have to take care of them, dog. So I'm not going to stress myself. You don't mind, I can get something better still, but I'm not going to stress myself, dog. Big man thing. At least you lucky to come out in a society, in something good. You see me?
Well, I tell them I thank God. I get one little scholarship and I go to Brown University, as I tell you, and I go study psychology, you understand? So, I hear you telling me on the road and my dad think, you know. I have one little hustle and I could have bring you in fun. You understand? You tell me now, say you have to make sure you fit in there and eat. Not far where I come from. A long time I know, you know, brother, when I say that, I thought me glad to see you. I think I first man I see me touching that place. You understand? So, I have a little hustle. I can introduce you to. You understand? But it's well serious. Like I say, clinical psychology, I go study at university and I have one little client. Can't chop a piece of money off him and split it between me.
Oh, that sound like a scamming, sir. Yeah, we tried that couple times and it didn't work with me, dog. That's why I do it in the streets. Then again, too much man and his friend thing and the problem, man, if man feel like he can't go around them and that's enough for me, dog.
Travis, give me a answer, man. I tell you, say, Princeton at Brown University, I go, expect me to really come here going to scamming for them look at that boy, the man. Nah, man, clinical psychology, I go study, so I'm a therapist. You see me? So, I have this lady, she did mentally ill, you understand? So, she come to, and she traumatized over her son get give one heap of thing, you understand? But when I say no, see, I could have make you pretend to be her son. Because she don't remember her son, you get what I say? And I hear what she talk about. You know, son like she have some money to get, she well want to meet the son. You see me, so I say, I could have bring in you know, and you pretend to be the son because I have all the information for now. I know everything about her, so I just tell her, arrange and meet up and get the money. That's the main thing, to get the money. You understand? And we can still because she have piece of food. I tell you, I know everything. What kind of scamming, man?
Brother, that sound like trouble in a dog. I really don't want to get myself in no trouble, you know. I don't like police station and courthouse, brother.
So,
I stay away far from them, the dog. So once you know involve them, I know some good. We probably can't think about it, dog. Big man thing.
No, brother. You know, you listen to me, no trouble no night, man. You have to trust me, brother. You can't coward with them something, you know. You understand me? All you have to do. As a matter of fact, if you're not in trouble in night, I'm going to catch a problem. You're not worried about nothing. You understand me? You hear me, I say, brother?
No, you're right.
All you have to do, Zane, just go up on Facebook, message her, tell her, say, you are her son. Just imagine, say, your mother, you don't see your mother how long. You understand me? You see her and, you know, you say, Bomba, to that somebody a favor me, so. You understand? And just message her, and we will take it from there, so. As a matter of fact, you know, so I have something I want to get to, you know. I have something I want to get when I go meet her. But, no trouble in night. Just trust me. Message her on Facebook, tell her say you're her son, and everything will flow from there, so. Money in night, man.
Well, if I say I don't get no trouble, anything like that, because I'm tired of them saying really, you know. And I'm back to school, you know, I'm really do well with some money to make sure I'm fitting good, isn't it?
Alright. That's something, as I see you puff that, let me tell you something, I have something for you. I think you have to cut out that smoking thing there. And you have to dress different. You have to look formal, brother. You understand me? So I have some clothes, because you should talk about our son and things. So if you get more or less of them, I can attire our son would die and our son would like. So you know the whole psychological part of that. Yeah. So I have some clothes to give you, you have to cut out the smoking thing. You understand me? Or at least when they're around our them.
Yeah, I think that makes sense.
Yeah.
I think that makes sense.
Alright, so I don't want to put them shoes up on the people and tell. I don't know what size they wear now, try them and see if they fit up. But then clothes are supposed to can fit up. Based on what she tell me, this is how she remember her son.
9 man, a good man, a 9 we're here.
Alright, so this side, everything set in motion now. Just need to do the Facebook thing and everything good. Alright? So, like I don't know, what would you drink sitting now? What do you want to drink?
Can we go over the bar then?
Alright.
Cheyenne! Come here. Cheyenne, you know me thank God you grew up so big. Because me have something to tell you for a very long time now, but me couldn't tell you because you're too young. But now you grow up, you get big and you have understanding. I am going to tell you a secret when me keep for so long. You have a brother.
So you never tell me, mommy?
No man. You don't understand me. You did small. If me even did tell you, you wouldn't really understand where they go on. Now you get big and can understand. You know, you have more understanding. Listen, you have a brother named Travis. Remember me tell you all the while, say, me sick with my head sometime, me have to admit in a hospital. So me get pregnant with him. And because my head go and come, then take him from me in a hospital.
There's party in there.
Boy, me no really know which part in there right now. But you have a big brother. Remember, if anything fi happen to me, you have a brother named Travis. I have something I want to tell you for a very long time now. Me did mad out. When me say mad, me did mad till they have to admit me in the hospital. I saw me go in, I saw me come out at 10th floor, me did there. Yes. Me used to depend on serious medication. What injection me take, me can't believe say me come back to.
So how me just know about all of this, mommy?
Listen what me I say now, just not say nothing, just let me tell you what happened to me in a real life. What injection they give me. Me used to depend medication upon medication, then give me all sort of something. Just to make my head come back to. Me mad when you say me mad till me all the name out of garbage pan. Yes, me walk and pick up dirty things pan road. Me used to in a big dirty clothes. So me never in a me right mind. And me end up get pregnant. Me Anna with you know. You have a brother by the name of Travis. Me end up get pregnant, just listen. Me get pregnant with one boy baby. And me name him Travis. To become my head no good, me have to give him up for adoption. You understand? Then when me start get little better now, you know, me go back for medication until me get better finally. Me know him get big from the time when they take him from me when him a little baby. Him a big man now, him a big boy. Big man. Yeah, I don't want to call him no boy, him bigger than you. You understand? And me no see him back again from the day me push him out in a hospital and give him up for adoption. Me no see him back again. Cheyenne, I search for him everywhere and me couldn't find him. And a matter of fact, I know me no find him.
So you don't know when there?
He search for me on Facebook and find me.
So you know when they know?
And me tell him say him have a little sister, so him say he want meet me and he want meet you. Yes, we have to go meet him. He tell me which part in the boy, you know, so I no remember, me have to go ask him away in there again. We are go look for him.
So when we all see him?
I don't know where they know, cause I don't have no money to go. But me anywhere me fi get the money from, fi go meet my son, me have to find him. And you need to know your brother. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Don't forget, he named Travis, and your brother. You go look like I say I'm a stranger to you too. You don't know him and him don't know you. But when you know me to know one another, I know we pick up from right there, so you know? Right.
So how many animal alone I have?
Yes. Only the two alone me have. You understand? Mm-hmm. But thank God me get better. And he search and find me on Facebook. So me go get to know him. And do we get to know him too. You understand? Me now make him left out of my eyesight again. All when he get big and me one son. You understand? So don't worry yourself. You used to ask him about brother. Now you understand say you have one brother. You can't stop asking me that question there. Alright, go on back round there so go sweep up the yard and something. Yes, round at the back and sweep up. Alright, now finish tidy up the place.
Wagwan, how was the drive?
Why the distance? But you don't mind it, you know, because you don't come to see you. I'm happy to meet you.
I true, man.
First time seeing you, you grow big and nice, because you grow nice.
Well, you never push out one eye that, you know, so, isn't it? And, whatever, so, what's your name?
Cheyenne.
Cheyenne?
Yes, your sister.
Hi, little sis. You alright? What, mommy?
Yeah, man, I'm just glad to see you. And the people
Like
them
if
where you
you-
live
if
with,
you-
they look like they take care of you good, you look real nice. I know me can't believe, all when they look on you, I still can't believe when I meet you.
You feel weird to call her mommy a while ago.
No, me understand, but for years, me they wonder if me I go see you in my lifetime. Thank God, you
Tell her,
find me.
funny enough how I actually see it is I scroll through Facebook and I see something was say RIP Lexi the best. And I check it after I check it out, then I see a picture with her and I look for her and I say, so how my favorite woman and so.
I'm most your mother.
That boy man. So we're going, no hungry.
I'm already defeated, no one talk. So how your young life, your stage coming up at then little tender age, how it is?
Well, life is nice and
You can
the
see.
lady what have me, she really take good care of me, isn't it? So,
You see, thank God she take care of you.
but I go to school and I study for law.
Oh, wow.
But I not fully graduate yet.
It is good.
Yeah,
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, my son. Thank God you come out to something good in life. I know you must they wonder why me never grow you.
Well, yeah, because they wonder if I come, I never come out good, make or me ugly when me born or something. What?
No, don't say that. Because you're good looking. Listen to me. You did mad out. You never capable enough to take care of you as a mother.
What do you mean mad?
So government take you away from me. I mean mad people will like eat out a garbage pan. Walk up and down the road and me use me dirty. Me walk and pick up, me no know when me they say me never in my right mind.
Say alright, you know?
Yeah man, me alright.
Well.
Me get some help, you know. So me good you know.
I'm glad to hear. So what you do for yourself, like, what you...
You know, so one little thing did happen to me. My insurance pay me up and everything, so me kind of half, you know. So everything good with me, I know, but you can come spend a little time with me, you know, so me can spend some of my wealth with you.
Well, your son, you know, I'm really glad for some meet you, but like, really worried, like, with my actual mother, the one who I have, the mother who I have, she take really good care of me, you know. I love her, but I just want to find a real mother. I'm really glad to actually meet you in person for the first time. I still feel nervous, and I still, it just feel, this just new to me, and I'm glad to meet you. Right now, I'm kind of the blush.
Alright, now worry yourself, man. Anything we may have is for you and your sister. You understand? And a good amount of money the insurance give me, you know. Yes. A lucky thing me never spend it foolishly because they got to see me right in my life. Right hand time.
Really glad.
So anything you want, just ask me for it, I will give it to you.
Well, what made me grateful, as I say, is that we come in today, man, but that's not really important. Right? Just that fact asking from earlier, if we eat,
You
because
see,
we're going to come
why
from
when you
far.
say come and belly the food, but now me kind of express myself to you, we can go have something.
That may I say you look hungry, you just over there.
Cheyenne, man. Sure, come on.
Yeah,
Come
come.
go have something for you.
Ceiling nice, Miss Candy. Ceiling nice,
Thanks,
man.
but you can call me mommy. I know say you're not used to it and you're not growing with me. Me understand, but call me mommy. You know, because I feel one way when you say Miss Candy. I am my son.
You know, say I told me used to call my mommy, well, yeah, my mother still, but I told me used to call she mommy and me no used to call her man. But I'm here now, me actually meet my real mother, so therefore, eventually one day me actually call her mommy. But I told me no used to.
Alright, you can come sit down.
Alright.
Remember, say me tell us that she named Cheyenne.
Cheyenne.
Travis, me thank you for come. Because I believe say you couldn't come. Me glad you make up your mind. But no worry yourself. Feel at home. This room and my room this. Me sleep here so. So me gonna make me and Cheyenne sleep and you sleep around a Cheyenne room. As soon as we finish talk, me can carry go show your room. We'll clean it up and make you get to stay around there. I hope you come to spend more than one day with me though.
Well, me never really plan to spend much, but I can probably spend 1, 2 or 3 days because I still have to go back up. Because my real mother up there, I can't just leave her, so I have to transition. Isn't me?
Okay, me understand.
Yeah, but me there man for even a couple of days. Let's just see how it works.
You did eat already?
Well, me get something on the road and me have forward, you know, but I'm a good man. If I can get something.
Alright then. Come and go show you your room around this one.
Okay, bro.
Boy, Travis, me so happy to spend all this time with you. If you know how me happy.
True, man. I'm excited too, man. I'm really glad to see you. I'm really glad to see you. You know,
Me have something to give you, you know.
what that?
No, you have to wait first. Let me order 2 drink. Yeah?
Alright.
Waiter. Yeah, the 2 drink them when I did order before. Can you bring them, please? Thank you. Okay, thank you. Is you bring it? Okay, no problem. Thanks. So Travis, you know, long me have one piece of money for you. Me want you to inherit part of my wealth. A long time me have it put on. Me couldn't wait for you. Lord Jesus, but make sure you put it to use.
Mommy?
And a little bit of money in there now, hold it carefully. You understand? Me love you, Travis. Me no know what I would do if me never find you. God bless that day. You can buy a Jeep too, you know. Because they look fine, you know, and the Jeep would have fit you.
Me always tell you, mommy, say me get 3 pitney, you know. And me I go make you meet them, one of them there. I tell them come meet, make you meet them.
Really?
Yeah, 3 nice, lovely kids.
Me can't wait to see them.
Then
Me
good.
can't bet how beautiful and cute them is. Any boy in there?
1 boy and 2 girls.
Most handsome like you. Me can't wait to see them. And when you going to meet them?
One of them there, man, when time right. When
Okay.
time right, cause you have to meet them grandmother.
Okay, me want to see them, you know, because you see how long me take to see you. Me want to see them early. You know what I really love to meet? The lady who grow you. Me can see say she take good care of you. Because you look quite fine. And me really want to tell her thanks.
Me make a meet her, man. I make a meet her. One of them there for sure, definitely.
And me can give her something to because she take care of you good. And anybody get any pitney and take care of them. Some people wicked to people pitney. Look how he take care of you.
Oh, true, man.
So, hurry up and come back.
So, mommy, me thank you for the money and me can't have all of the money upon me. So I have to go down to the bank before it closes to lodge this money in my account. So
you can stay me a little bit?
Me soon come, man. Me soon come. Me can't stay too long.
You go come back?
Me go come back.
Alright.
Me go come back.
Alright, me go and drink until you come.
How you on, brother? Alright? Alright, good, perfect. I'm down in my office, man. I'm down in my office. Just come in my office right now. Yes, man. Alright. Come.
Boss, say that.
One point, brother. Seriously, brother, they get everything?
Everything there, man. Everything there.
Alright, cool. Now we have to start out, you know, so. Just don't write us on, let's go come back.
Alright. Hello? Oh, yeah, man. What? Yes, boss. Seti again? Yeah, no. Alright, no problem, man. I work. Anyway, never pick up your truck and come deal with it. Alright, no problem. Alright, my boss. Respect. Yeah, man. Alright, cool.
Boy, Mr. Brown, me can't believe say the same thing happened to me twice. I was so. The one little time when me see my son, me not see him back again. How happened?
Miss Russell, these things happen. But look on the bright side. You had the opportunity to meet your son. You got to talk to him, A lot of persons don't get this chance. And look at this also. You have gone through this before. You can do it again. You came here and I realized that you're a very strong woman. You're not going to get over it immediately, one step at a time. Just like we did it here, man. We're going to do it again and everything is going to be okay. In time.
Mr. Brown,
Yes.
me like your watch. You look very expensive.
Yes, man. It's a G Sport or G Shock, whatever they call it. I got it from a client, man.
You look very expensive, man.
Yeah, really nice
A
client.
client?
gave it to me. Yes, man.
That client is a kind client.
But anyhow, we're out of time now, so as I said, one step at a time. Alright, Miss Russell?
Okay.
Alright.
Hey, what's up?
Alright, that's it.
What's up?
Yes.
I like that scene. He does look steady to me, fuck.
Yeah, because I batch it back. You ready? Oh, they're too loud, you know.
More me pitney, care about me pitney, come give me. More me pitney. Give back me pitney.
So, but you have to do that. Give him encouragement, you know. I'm done with him. Cause why I don't know how long I'm going to record it for, but why you don't?
Ready?
So, as I said, Miss Russell, everything is going to be okay, right? So what I'm going to do, because this is a very complicated situation that you're bringing to me, so I'm going to have to reschedule, because our time is practically up, actually I'm over a minute. So we're going to reschedule, right? And I need you to just leave your contact information by the front desk if you haven't already, so we can maintain contact. So next week, same time, alright?
Okay.
And don't worry yourself, man. We have multiple cases like this and everything turn out alright. Not everyone finds their lost loved ones or son or relatives, but majority of the time it turns out wonderful. So I don't want you to worry yourself, alright?
Okay, Mr. Brown.
Alright, so take care, Miss Russell, and enjoy the rest of the day, alright?
Okay.
So, introduce yourself. Sorry.
No nice.
No, nice. Ready?
Hold on, can you let me hear it?
Alton, remember, so you just have to catch it open shot, then go in close, because so you might there. So you might there and I tripod, you know.
Just that thing.
No, candy. But just express yourself, man. Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Right, Miss Russell.
Go at the same time.
Ready?
You.
Alright. Boy, Mr. Brown, me can't believe say the same thing happened to me twice.
Well,
Oh.
I'm close, man, come in. You just want
Oh.
the inch of his start.